SMS based intimation device that can be used by the companies to keep a track of their employees during travel. This can also be used by the truck companies in order to keep a track of the cargoes in between two destinations. This should be installed in different checkpoints in between the two destinations in order to keep a track of the travel. This functions in basically the way that we have programmed it to have two passwords. The first password is the temporary password and the second password is the permanent password. Now let us see the functioning of the product. The valid set of employee code starts from D301 and goes on to D400. Now the product is presently asking you the employee code, which Manoj will now enter as D305. Now the product asks for the temporary password. The algorithm for the temporary password actually rests with the company that is actually owning the product. The temporary password is set to change every 1 hour, and it will also change if the correct temporary password has been entered. Now Manoj will enter the first temporary password. Now the product now asks for the employee password. The employee password is a constant for a particular employee. That is, for say D301, the employee password is set to be A301. Now Manoj has entered D305, so he will now enter A305. The product is presently processing the passwords. Now the message has been sent to the two mobiles. This is the first mobile that has received the message saying that it has presently reached the checkpoint. Now this is the second mobile that says that it has reached the checkpoint. As you can see, the product has sent messages to two mobiles within a span of 2 minutes about the particular employee has reached a particular checkpoint.